This video is not sponsored by Rock Auto. I got my part. Got my invoice. Where's my magnet?
Probably under one of the flaps.
Shit. Hey, dude.
That's fine.
Okay, this video is partially sponsored by Rock Auto. I don't even.
Hey, you get what you pay for. Rock
That
Auto.
is true. You get what you pay for. Rock Auto. You're gonna stand there. Go look for my impact.
Put in some work.
Oh, yeah. Max speeding rods, dude.
Well, that's what's on this?
Yeah. This video is also sponsored by Max Speeding Rods.
Yeah.
Was impacting me pretty clearly that I didn't have.
Damn, I love MB
When
battles.
you lower a car, it's what's on the outside that matters. Under here, you put Max Speeding Rods, and on the outside, you put the real wheels on. Hey, they're Max Speeding Rods. You don't see shit. You don't need to see them.
I guess not.
I mean, they're good. I'm not ashamed of them at all. Okay, what are we doing, tie rod? Yep.
Honestly, this is a nice little pamphlet.
Yeah, they spent more on this. This was $106.
I believe it. But she's holding up, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's good. It's the insides that don't hold up.
Yep.
Yeah, I just need a new tune. And it'll be fine next time.
The tune. Trans.
That too.
Car.
New car, new trans.
Wait.
I'm replacing the inner.
Oh, okay. So you're leaving it on the knuckle.
No.
You're taking the whole tie rod off?
Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and twist the inner tie rod.
Target.
Nah, I'm already doing it, dude.
Oh, I'm already doing it. See
I'm
you.
already doing it.
Uh,
More leverage. Dude, I fucking hate tie rods. Cheers, boys. Yeah,
it's got some life left in it. Just pack it with grease.
just weld it. Who needs anything to work anyways?
You're telling me you have nothing in your toolbox?
I'm using what I have in my
Can't see shit.
Oh.
Yeah. Все.
Крепко. А потом надо досыпать.
Wait,
I cracked it.
did you? It's still tight on there. Crack it a little more. Все, son. Boy.
Где руками раскрути.
Hold on. Let's see. Oh, shit. You put a little more grease back in there and it wobbles less. Here, put that back in. It's good.
You could probably post this on Marketplace and say it's a shifter or something, and somebody will believe you.
Short shifter.
Short shifter, bro. You got it? Gotta grab another beer. Do you think we could stand on, like, if I put a beer can under each foot, I could do it? I think I can.
Only one way to find out.
Why is there a full beer in here? Well, it's like half. Another one! Jordan just cleaned up all the forgotten beers. But
I think you could do 4 for sure.
here, I think I could do it if I, like, at the same time disperse the weight.
Oh, for sure. Yep. There we go. There we go.
Dude. We did this, dude.
Hey, Mom, I did it.
What'd you learn today? I could stand on 2 beers.
2 beers, please.
Well, You need another beer?
Yeah.
I asked for a hammer, not to make it.
Whoa. Let's drop that. Yeah, I got nervous, all right?
So needs more angle. Okay, let's see if it starts. I did not know my window.
Plowed into a Mercedes. Just have the carb sticking out from the hood.
I'd say America, but that's Japanese.
Man, I can't believe Japanese cars sound like this. What is this?
What is?
What is
Oh,
this?
but the ECU has two like leaking capacitors, and it starts up now. Oh. I took it while I did, like opened the ECU up, looked at it, found the problem, put everything back. Maybe it needed some fresh air in the ECU. Oh yeah. Look at this. They cut the whole door frame.
No, you don't need weight reduction.
Weight reduction, look at this. And then the track keeps coming off.
I just hope you don't crash. Fuck
I
it.
gotta crash.
Yeah, if you don't
Have I
crash,
ever
you're good.
crashed?
No, if you don't crash, you're good.
The window down for how long?
This is Pimp my ride.
It's my this is
the door panel.
this is neglect my ride. No, this so I need to weld in like weld that together. So it holds this in place.
There you go.
I had to take this off because the door wouldn't open from the outside.
Look at some rags. Let's clean out the interior.
It's fine. But overs, they cut it for flares, and I don't like flares. If I get some overs,
Make some.
make me some.
Okay.
Take the car home.
Okay.
But off. Oh yeah, I can drive it, huh?
Potentially.
Put some air in the tires.
No, they leak the second you hear them.
What are they? 5-lug? 114.3?
Yeah, buddy. I don't like that it's 5-lug. 5-lug rear? Where do I find 14s and 15s that are cool?
That's true.
Nowhere. And I got lucky with those.
Yeah. There you go. Go, bro.
Nope.
Ah. What about you?
He loves attention, dude.
It's a magnet, bro.
It's 8 pieces. 8.
Exhaust?
Yeah, because it's been through a lot. So, and then not
Most
counting
women have
this.
been.
This is like random shit because I have different pipe, like different tips on here. So I gotta cut one off. Just weld on the next. There was a hole here I welded. That broke, so I used threaded rod.
Show me to hold the brake.
No, it's all good. Just. Oh, there we go. Oh, you know what I'm looking for, dude? I just fucking work here.
The boss is gone.
Probably fucking cranking the hog in the bathroom. Alright, you can go.
There's a new tie rod, new boot. It only took so many hours, so many beers.